Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with 11th chapter of your book, that is Air and Water. First we will discuss atmosphere. A thin layer of gases surrounding earth is called atmosphere. Suppose this is our earth and a thin layer of gases surround our earth, that is known as atmosphere. ये अर्थ के चारों साइड प्रेजेंट होता है. This is a layer of gas that surround the earth, and this layer of gas is held in place by gravity of the earth, and as we move away from earth, the density of this layer decreases. Now this is atmosphere. Now why this atmosphere is essential? क्यों ज़रूरत है हमें इस atmosphere की? क्योंकि ये हमें UV रेडिएशन से सेव करता है, दैट्स कम फ्रॉम सन, और ये ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है, एंड इट हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ. दैट्स वाई एटमॉस्फेयर इज एसेंशियल फॉर अस. नाउ दिस एटमॉस्फेयर इज मेड अप ऑफ 5 different layers. We will discuss these layers one by one. First one is troposphere. The first layer is troposphere. That means this layer. This is troposphere. This layer is troposphere. Now this troposphere, this layer is क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ. दैट मीन्स जिस लेयर में हम लोग रहते हैं वो वाली लेयर कौन सी है? ट्रोपोस्फेयर. वी लिव इन ट्रोपोस्फेयर. ऑल द एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स एंड इवन ऑल द वेदर फिनोमिना, इट टेक्स प्लेस इन ट्रोपोस्फेयर. दैट मीन्स क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन, रेन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपन इन ट्रोपोस्फेयर, एंड दिस इज नियरर टू अवर surface. We live in troposphere as it is warmer near the earth surface, and as we move up it is cooler. Like if we talk about mountains, those are higher altitudes, so it is cooler in mountains, and if we talk about sea or beach, it is hotter. So it is warmer near earth surface and it cools as we move up. Now next layer of atmosphere is stratosphere. This is troposphere and this is stratosphere. Now this stratosphere, ozone layer is present in this stratosphere. You know ozone layer? Ozone layer is very important layer for us because it do not allow UV radiations to enter our earth surface. So this ozone is very important. Now jet streams blow in this layer. Now what are jet streams? Jet streams, बहुत तेज हवाओं को हम कहते हैं jet streams. These are high intensity winds, and these jet streams, they help in aeroplane flying. So aeroplane flying takes place in stratosphere. Now the next layer is mesosphere. Mesosphere, after stratosphere we have mesosphere. Now this one is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the middle layer of atmosphere. It is the, as you can see, 2 layers are above this and 2 layers are below this. So mesosphere is the middle layer of atmosphere, and meteor showers occur in this zone. जो meteoroids होते हैं वो आपको कहाँ मिलेंगे? In mesosphere. And once these meteoroids they enter mesosphere, they burn up, and they cannot pass on this mesosphere, and they can't enter stratosphere. mesosphere में जो meteoroids होते हैं वो burn हो जाते हैं. So meteor shower occur in this zone, and this is the coolest layer of atmosphere. Now the fourth layer is thermosphere. This is thermosphere. This thermosphere, this do not have any air, it has hardly any air, only some quantity of air is present in thermosphere, and this is the hottest layer of atmosphere. Now the last layer is exosphere. This is the outermost layer of atmosphere, and this exosphere, it merges with the outer space. It do not have any outer boundary, it only merges with the outer space. This is exosphere. And satellites are normally present in this layer.